This video is your ultimate college glow up guide. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. So you can consider me your next door college bestie who's gonna help you live the best college life and also be the best version of yourself in college. For context, I just graduated from SRCC Delhi University, and throughout this journey of 3 years, I have learned so many things that I want to share with you, and these are things that I wish किसी ने मुझे बताई होती मेरे time पे, so my life would have been much better, but I'm gonna do that for you. Now I know many of you already might be in college, just starting out college, and that's why I'll be discussing a lot of different aspects in this video, so make sure you watch it till the end. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, first let's start off with your physical appearance, because girl or guys, whoever is watching this, you need to look your best in college, because why not? And it's not to impress anyone else, or maybe, but it's just for yourself, so that you can feel your most confident self. अब इससे बात करते हैं fashion की. What are your outfits going to look like in college? Now obviously your style is going to be a huge part of your identity, and I तो definitely believe that तुम जैसे dress up करते हो लोग तुम्हें वैसे ही perceive करते हैं. It does not exactly matter कि तुमने क्या पहना है या कौन सा brand पहना है. No, it's about how you carry yourself in that outfit. अब कुछ लोगों पे oversized चीजें अच्छी लगती है, but some people just look really shabby in that. So it's very important to find out what works for you, what is your style, and college is the best time to experiment. तो तुम अलग अलग aesthetics को try out कर सकते हो. You can go for basic stuff, you can go for the extremely fancy stuff. The choice is yours, because college में शायद लोग judge करेंगे, लेकिन एक दिन बाद सब भूल जाएंगे. So you do you. Now I'll also quickly tell you how you can build your wardrobe. You don't necessarily need to buy all those high-end fashion luxury stuff, not at all. तुम literally local markets में जाके भी shopping कर सकते हो if that's your budget, and it's fine because कभी-कभी local markets पे बहुत amazing चीजें मिल जाती है. I'm sure अगर तुम दिल्ली से हो और if you know about सरोजनी नगर, लोग क्या-क्या ढूंढ लेते हैं इतने सस्ते में वहाँ पे. So yeah, you don't need to spend a lot of money to look cool and fashionable in college at least. But yes, when it comes to basic stuff like maybe a black and white t-shirt, a pair of jeans, these are things that you can invest in for the long run. तो तुम थोड़े एक्स्ट्रा पैसे खर्च करके अगर अच्छी क्वालिटी की चीजें लोगे, it's going to be much better for you. Now usually when it's a regular day at college, everyone's wearing quite chill outfits, so normal wear तुम अपने हिसाब से ले सकते हो. But sometimes there are college fests, there are college parties, freshers भी होगा, society के events होंगे. That time you might need some fancy stuff, so तुम उसको अपने wardrobe में add कर सकते हो. And then eventually अगर तुम placements वगैरह के लिए जाओगे, you will need a pair of formals that you will use while giving the interview. Or even for internships, having a good pair of shirt and pant is going to really help you. अब fashion के बाद the next thing is going to be your skin care, because your skin should look all fresh and glowy when you go to college, right? I'm sure all the guys are like, ये सब क्या बातें हो रही है, हम तो बस ऐसे ही नहा धो के बस मुंह धो के चले जाते हैं. You don't need to have a long elaborate skin care routine. You can stick to the basics. कुछ लोग सिर्फ moisturizer और sunscreen लगा के काम चला लेते हैं. For me, my routine was a toner, a serum, and then a sunscreen. So again, you can choose what suits your skin the best. But if I have to recommend one product, तो sunscreen तो please use कर लेना, because इतनी धूप में you want to protect your skin. And again, it is just not about the sun rays. चाहे बारिश हो रही हो, gloomy weather हो, a sunscreen is must. Now after skincare, if you're interested in makeup, a lot of people might be, a lot of people might not be. मेरा तो काफी simple था. मैं बस blush और lip gloss लगा के जाती थी and I was done. मुझे makeup करना पसंद नहीं है, but if you like that, honestly you can keep it very simple in college. Maybe some mascara, concealer and stuff like that. ज़्यादा heavy base करने का तो कोई sense नहीं है, but of course if you like that, you should definitely go for it. अब physical appearance में सबसे important चीज की बात तो करनी ही पड़ेगी, that is your fitness. Having a good workout routine in place is very important. चाहे तुम्हारा दिन कितना भी busy हो, कितना भी hectic हो, getting in a workout is very important. अब तुम चाहे gym की membership ले लो या घर पे workout कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Do what works for you. But yes, रोज कम से कम 30 minutes का workout, कुछ stretching, कुछ walk, jogging, maybe some ab routine you can follow. YouTube पे इतनी सारी videos हैं, free में तुम आराम से workout कर सकते हो घर में बैठ के. But you should definitely do it consistently to see results. जल्दी results नहीं आएंगे, but long term में बहुत ज्यादा फायदा होगा. And in fact, it's not just about looking fit. Going to the gym also helps you so much mentally, which is the next thing I'm coming to. Physical appearance तो obviously important है, but उतना ही important is your mental and emotional well-being. For me, going to the gym really helps me to de-stress and get relaxed, and जो भी दिन जैसा भी गया हो, gym जाके सब कुछ सही हो जाता है. I know to go to the gym to build your mind up कि यार gym जाना है, workout करना है. I know it's a annoying, but once you go there, trust me, you will be so much more motivated and energized, and it really helped me to boost my productivity as well. अब इसी के साथ साथ it's very important to have a positive mindset in college. I know college can be really overwhelming. You will start comparing yourself to others कि यार वो तो internships कर रहा है, वो तो इस सोसाइटी में चला गया, उसने तो ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया. बट ये सब बिल्कुल भी सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. तुम्हें सिर्फ अपने काम पे, अपने गोल्स पे फोकस करना है. दूसरों से कंपेयर करके लिटरली किसी को कोई फायदा नहीं होता है. Everyone's journey is different, everyone's goal is different. तो obviously सब अपने हिसाब से कुछ ना कुछ करेंगे. Just be confident and trust कि जो तुम कर रहे हो वो सही है. When I was in college, just because first year में सब लोग 1000 internships कर रहे थे तो मैं नहीं कर रही थी वो सब. I was doing other things जिसमें मुझे actually interest था. You can do something better than that and use your time more productively. बाकी another way to keep your mental well-being good and going, read self-help books. Try to grow your mindset. Try to think of bigger things in life. क्यों हम सबको वही सेम rat race में फंसना है कि डिग्री कर लो, जॉब कर लो, MBA कर लो, फिर से जॉब कर लो and that's your life basically. अब तुम्हें 9 to 5 करना है अपनी पूरी life. I'm not saying it's wrong, but if you can do something better, then why not? And reading books is the first step. At least तुम्हें थोड़ा सा तो कुछ idea आएगा, कुछ motivation मिलेगी. You can watch YouTube videos, you can learn new skills. There are so many things you can do to build a better life for yourself and also keep your mental health in check. Otherwise तुम भी सबकी तरह उसी rat race में लगे रहोगे and trust me, it can get extremely stressful when the time comes. जब internship लेनी होगी, जब placement लेना होगा, trying to compete with everyone else around you is going to be overwhelming and will make you feel anxious. But if you have a good and positive mindset, सब कुछ अच्छा होगा. Okay, now comes the most exciting part. इसके बारे में मुझे काफी comments भी आए थे. That is social skills and networking, making friends, meeting new people. What is the whole scene going to be like? Now, one of the best parts of college life is going to be the people you meet at college. मेरे best friends का group, we are just 5 people and oh my god, हमने इतने मजे करे हैं college में. Having a good friend circle is extremely important because these are the people who are going to stick by you throughout your college life. They are the ones who will keep you motivated. They'll keep you in check अगर तुम कुछ गलत कर रहे हो. And these are the people you will be having the most fun around. इसलिए having a good friend circle, and I don't mean to say you need to have 10-15 friends. Even if you have 1 or 2 friends, it's fine. As long as they are the real true friends, सब सही है. I know most of you guys will be starting college right now, so you will be meeting a lot of new people. And अभी तो यही टाइम है कि तुम सबसे बात करो, सबकी वाइब को जानो, कौन कैसा है, what are their likes, dislikes, and धीरे धीरे तुम्हें अपने आप पता लग जाएगा किसके साथ तुम्हारी वाइब एक्चुअली मैच करती है. एंड कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो तुम्हारे टाइप के ही ना हो, तो उनके साथ हैंग आउट करना तुम ऑटोमेटिकली कट ऑफ कर दोगे because they'll also find some new friends, right? So if you ask me how do you make friends, obviously the first and the most easiest way is going to be your classmates. तुम उनके साथ सारे lectures attend करोगे, so they're practically going to be around you all the time. But the second best place to make friends is by joining societies and clubs. मैं अपने कॉलेज की marketing society की vice president थी and I have so many good friends just from the society I was in. क्योंकि simple है यार, तुम उन्हीं के साथ काम करते हो, फिर fest organize करते हो, fest attend करते हो, you're working together and that's how you also build those real friendships and connections with those people. And societies are literally the easiest ways to meet people जिनका same interest होगा तुम्हारे जैसे. So don't be afraid to get out of your comfort zone. Just go and talk to people. यार तुम किसी भी चीज के बारे में बात कर सकते हो. You can literally start by ranting about your college life. It's as simple as that. अब friends के साथ साथ another new concept that you will be introduced in college is networking. And networking का मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम्हें सिर्फ जाके professionals के साथ connect करना है. Networking can be with your seniors, it can be with your professors, it can be with new people on LinkedIn जो शायद तुम्हें internships offer कर दे, placement दे दे, or it could simply be your batchmates जो जरूरी नहीं है कि तुम्हारे friends हो. College is also the perfect time to start building a proper LinkedIn profile, get active on LinkedIn, connect with people because that's the way most people can actually find out about you. Or you can apply for internships also using LinkedIn. You can even connect with so many people there of course. अब हमने कॉलेज की सारी दूसरी चीजों के बारे में बात कर ली है, लेकिन मेन चीज जिसके लिए तुमने कॉलेज ज्वाइन किया है, योर अकेडमिक्स, उसके बारे में भी थोड़ा बात कर लेते हैं. कुछ कॉलेज में अकेडमिक्स को भूलना नहीं होता है. अकेडमिक्स आर गोइंग टू बी अ बिग पार्ट ऑफ योर कॉलेज लाइफ एंड इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू स्टे ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट. तुम्हारे ग्रेड्स, तुम्हारा CGPA अच्छा आ रहा हो, you're getting good marks in your internals, you have good relations with your professors as well. उससे काफी हेल्प हो जाती है कभी कभी because they might just give you extra marks in your internals or attendance benefits as well. And yes, पढ़ाई करना important है, but that doesn't mean कि तुम्हें पूरे साल बस पढ़ाई की टेंशन लेनी है और कुछ करना है नहीं है. Now to be on top of everything, academics हो, societies हो, internships हो, managing your time is going to be the most crucial thing over here. इसलिए prioritize करो कब क्या important है. जब एग्जाम सीजन है तो obviously सब कुछ छोड़ के पढ़ाई ही करनी है तुम्हें. But when exams are not that close, तुम और भी चीजों पे फोकस कर सकते हो, internships कर सकते हो, skills सीख सकते हो, events organize कर सकते हो and so much more. There will be many many opportunities coming your way in college. Procrastination is going to be your worst enemy in college, so please avoid that. Follow a routine or a schedule that works for you and बस सारे काम आराम से हो जाएंगे. Have a routine कि तुम college से आ जाते हो, then you go to the gym, then you come back, you study, you do some society work, you work on your skills. And last but not the least, another college life essential is going to be budgeting, managing your money. Obviously school life में हमें किसी ने नहीं सिखाया होता how to save it well, invest it in places that can give you returns in the long run. But once you get into college, it's great if you can learn to manage your money. If you're earning your own money, that's awesome. फिर तो तुम्हें और भी ज़्यादा vigilant होना चाहिए with how you're spending it. But even if you get money from your parents, you should at least know where you're spending the money. कितना खाने पे जा रहा है, कितना shopping पे जा रहा है, कितना travel पे जा रहा है college के. If you're able to save some money, तुम उसको invest कर सकते हो in whichever place, maybe a stock market, getting some shares. Don't just go into it blindly, obviously. पहले समझो, सीखो, learn about investing money, learn about the basic, how do you actually invest your money, how do you take wise decisions. ये सब चीजें हमने कभी नहीं सीखी होती. So first learn about it, develop the skills, and then start investing also. And there you have it. That is your ultimate college glow up guide. I think मैंने कुछ चीजें मिस करी होंगी, so let me know in the comments if you want me to make videos for specific topics. I'll be happy to do that for you because I want you to live your best college life. Remember, college is a time to have fun but also grow and develop your personality and do big things in life. यहीं से शुरुआत होती है. So make the most productive use of your time and all the very best for your college life. अगर तुम्हें कोई भी doubts, issues हैं, make sure to leave them in the comments and I'll definitely get back to you guys. And with that, I'm going to end this video right here. So if you made it till here, then comment these emojis and thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram and until next time, bye.